Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 2 Fascinating Nature. Useful Plants. The chapter is Useful Plants. So, let me start. We got many things from plants, they fulfill our daily requirements. Give two examples of each of the following. Two most common cereals wheat, rice. Two fruits mango, apple. Two plants whose roots are used as vegetables carrot, tomato. Two plants whose roots are used as vegetables tulip. Two plants whose leaves are used as vegetables cabbage, spinach. Two plants whose seeds are used as a pulses gram and rajma. Gram matlab chana. Two trees which give us wood for furniture teak or shisham. Two plants which give us medicines neem and tulsi. Two plants which give us fiber jute and cotton. Two plants which give us oil sunflower, mustard. Two plants which give us spices ginger, cumin. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Busy bugs. So this chapter only for reading. You must have seen these tiny creatures. Some of them are useful. Let us know. So let me start. Ants build their nest in soils, buildings, walls, electric poles, and even on clocks and lamps. Weaver ants build their nest with leaves held together by a skill. Okay. Earthworms are the farmer's friends. They dig through the soil by eating it. The soil thus becomes loose. This helps farmers to grow healthy plants. है ना? Number 3, honeybees gives us honey which is good for health and tastes yummy. Number 4, caterpillars are sometimes called eating machines because they eat too much. They cause huge losses to the farmers by eating the leaves of their crops. Okay. Next, number 5. Most insects have antennae which help them to smell and feel things. They do not have bones but have a waterproof outer shell to protect their body. Cockroaches have lived on the earth for millions of years. They are those insects and can live through the toughest of times. The leaf insects look like a leaf. This helps it to hide from its enemies. Similarly, the stick insect looks like a stick. So now it's time to quiz. Name these common insect. Okay, this is first one, ladybird. And number two, dragonfly. Number three, butterfly. Number four, grasshopper. Now, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, aquatic animals. So this chapter only for reading. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. There are millions of aquatic animals. Let us know about some of them. Sea otter. A sea otter spends most of its time in the water. It is fast and graceful in the water. It is slow and awkward on land. Sea otter have webbed hind feet which they use to swim. They close their ears and nostrils when underwater. They sleep and rest on their backs. A sea otter has an extremely dense fur on its body. The coat has over half a million hairs per square inch. Alligator. Alligators are large animals. They spend a lot of their lives in the water. They mostly live in swamps, marshes, canals, and lakes. Alligators swim very well. They use their webbed feet to swim. They use their tails to propel themselves through the water. Alligators are meat eating animals. They feed mostly at night. Adult alligator eat fish, birds, turtles, and other small animals. Alligators have pointed teeth. They use them for catching the prey, but they do not tear their prey apart. They swallow them whole. Okay. Alligators have about 80 teeth. When teeth are lost, they regrow. दोबारा से बढ़ जाते हैं. Next is duck. Ducks are common water birds. Okay. The adult female duck is called a duck. The adult male is called a drake. And the young ones are called ducklings. Ducks have a varied diet. They eat insects, worms, frogs, snails, small shellfish, grasses, and other plants. Many people keep ducks as they provide eggs, meat, and feathers. The sound of a duck is called a quack. However, not all the ducks quacks. Next one is penguin. Okay. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they swim very well and spend most of their lives in and near the sea. There are 17 kinds of penguins. Okay. Penguins have more feathers than most other birds, about 10 feathers per square inch. Penguins have a lighter color on the belly and a darker color on their backs. It helps them hide from their enemies when they are in the water. Penguins wade on their feet. Sometimes they slide on their bellies across the snow. In this way, they do not get tired and move relatively fast. This movement is called tobogging. Penguins jumps also if they want to move more quickly. They jump with both feet together. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. The chapter is birds search. Bird search. There are different types of birds around us. Some of them are shown here. Can you find their names in this great circle down? Okay, so let me start. First one is crow. A bird that caws. Crow. A pigeon-like bird, its name rhymes with love. It is dove. It is dove. Okay, number 2. A small bird that is commonly found in our neighborhood, sparrow. This is sparrow. Number 4, large birds that eat dead animals. Vulture. Here is vulture. A bird that has the same name as a country. Turkey. Where is this one? Turkey. A bird that never builds its own nest. Where is cuckoo? See, cuckoo. A fish eating bird with a large beak and a throat pouch. Pelican. This one. Last one, a bird that makes holes in trees to find insects and make nest. Woodpecker. जिसको हम हिंदी में कठफोड़ा बोलते हैं. Woodpecker. ओके, चलिए अब हम इन्हें यहाँ लिखते हैं. A bird that caws. Crow. Number 2, dove. Number 3, sparrow. Number 4, vulture. Number 5, turkey. Six, cuckoo. 7, pelican. Wood. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Fables to fact. There are many animals and plants to the world. Some of them have some unique features. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and complete the names of the following. You may use the help box given at the bottom. Name no two have the same stripes. Zebra. Zebras. Number 2. Are the tallest living tree, the biggest one is about 380 feet tall. Coast redwoods. Lal Chandan. Number 3. The dash is found in Africa. It grows so high that it can hide even an elephant in it. मतलब इतनी तेजी से ग्रो करती है ये हाथी को भी छुपा ले. Elephant grass. Number 4. Is the only bird that can fly backwards. Hummingbird. Number 5. A dash is as a fruit and not a vegetable since it has seeds in it. Cucumber. Six. Most elephants weigh less than the tongue of the blue whale. So, dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.